Hi guys, welcome to Mom Do's Chinese Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you Chinese cold noodles. We call it Liangpi. This is really famous among most of the cities, and you can almost find in almost the cities this Liangpi restaurant. So let's get started. First up, let's add 250 grams of flour. It's all-purpose flour, and we add 2 grams of salt, 130 grams of water. We start to mix them together. We use hand to knead them. Rest the dough for 10 minutes. Here we go. No need to knead again. Now we need to pull the water in and start to wash the dough. Let me show you. Now I add water. We start to wash the dough. The reason why we wash the dough is we need to take the gluten all out. See? The water become milky, become white. We need to separate the starch and the gluten. Like you're washing clothes. Now we separate the water and the smashed dough. We need to wash it again. We just separate in the first part. Here we prepare the same bowl with some water, and we take this smashed dough inside. We need to wash it again. Let's repeat the step for 6 to 7 times. It's not hard. Really, it's not hard. It's just like you have a little bit patience. Once the water clear like this, it's almost ready. Okay, this is the gluten here. Here we go. This is the gluten from the flour dough. Let's add some baking powder before we steam it. Let's bring to steam for 15 minutes. For the starch water, we need to wait for more than 4 hours above, so the water and starch can separate. Now the time is on, and wow, this gluten is ready. Now let's cut it. Just be careful because it's hot. We cut into cubes. Later we'll keep in noodles inside. So now the water is separate from the starch. We slowly drop the water. You can see the bottom of the container here is all white. We drop slowly. See? We drop the white one. Yeah. No need to throw all the water, just the majority. Yeah. Okay. Here, the leftover, we will make the noodles. First up, let's brush some oil in a container, in a plate here. This one. Let's mix them. Mix the now we pull the starch water in. Now we keep in the boiling water. Let's steam for about 2 minutes. Yeah, here we go. If you see a little bit of bubble, it means ready. We keep in cold water. Once it becomes a bit colder, we start to peel off the noodle sheet. We scratch from the edge, and here we go. This is the one. Here we go. Yeah, this is the first sheet. And first noodle sheet, we brush some oil before we make the second one. Now we make some garlic water. First we smash the garlic. And we put some water. Here we go. Now we prepare some spice water, star anise, some pepper, and bay leaf. Let's boil for 2-3 minutes. When the smell comes, the water is ready. Now the spice water's color has changed to a little bit brown, and it smells so good. Now it's ready. And now we have all the noodle sheet. Let's start to cut the noodles. You can cut a slim one, or you can cut to fat noodles. It depends on your taste. You can fold it, it's more easier. It's okay. You keep, I brush the oil in between. It will not get stick. Here we go. This is the noodles. Now we start to add our carrots, parsley, some peanuts, and gluten, sesame sauce. This is a must. This will really bring these noodles to another level. Spice water, garlic water, soy sauce, vinegar, at the end we keep some chili oil. Let's eat it. Oh. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like my today's video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me see you in my next video. Bye bye.